Hello guys, so how to fix with restrict certain activity problem on your Instagram. So all what you wanna do to fix this problem is actually so easy. First thing, you have to open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this. Now you have to wait a few seconds, it will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. So after that, you have to scroll until you find Instagram. Click on it, click on this for stop, and that's it. Now you have to reopen Instagram and then go to your profile, go to the top corner, click on the three lines in the top corner, click settings, click on report problem here, click on help, and it will take you directly to this page where you will find 5 options. Click on the first one, click on report problem without shaking, and now here you have to contact the Instagram support team. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.